Okay, we're live. Lose them on film.
Come on, Moby. Get that net ready, Gary.
You're stripping ahead of your hand again.
I know, I see that.
Okay, around the front with him when he goes. Get that net, Gary. You're on video, too.
He's gonna go when you get into the boat anyway.
But he might go around the back, that's the problem. And he's gonna knock you over, Gary. Turn that this way in case he has to run. That's it. But there we go. Look at that, man.
When he pulls, there's no holding him anyways, eh?
No. Oh. See him to hit that right on top?
Tire him out a bit.
That was top water.
Try to bring him in too fast. Right in front.
Then strip and take your rod over. Keep stripping. That's it. That's nice fish. Ooh, let him have it now. Let him have it. That's it. Same tension. Don't let him have it. He'll pull it out of you. He's gonna pull it right out of your out of himself.
Oh man. Woo!
Remember that goes under it. Not. Yeah. That's all right. He doesn't see the boat again. Steer him in there. Steer him in. Get it down in the water, Gary. Way down. Put him right up Gary's nose. He ain't done yet.
Yeah, I put him up his nose.
Don't be swearing, eh?
No.
Bring that fish around so we can see it. Now, how much line have you reeled back on that reel lately? Oh, none. In there, Gary. Close it.
Oh, thank you, Gary.
Reel, quick. No, don't let him out, Gary. Put him in there. Yeah, just don't let him jump out.
Yeah.
There you go. He's got to get all that line up. Don't let him out. He's getting out. No, don't put your fingers there. There you go. Rodeo.
Don't let him bite you, but don't lose it.
Okay. Push right back to his knees. That's it. You know the routine?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk up in your
Get on this side behind. Yep. Take the rod. Okay. Don't. Hey, you're on video. Grab your own thumb through there. Not in his mouth.